Last month I sold over 60,000 on Amazon. I've got many friends that do multiple six figures and seven figures. And here's the difference between the winners and the losers on Amazon. Here's the way that they think and I think that makes us win. And it's quite simple. Number one, we put in a lot of work. We work really hard. Now, I know apparently it's not PG to say that, working hard is okay these days, but it's just the truth. In the early days especially, you have to work hard. And because competition is so fierce on Amazon, you have to always be working hard. Otherwise, your competition is going to eat you up. That's number one. Number two is the fact that if an issue comes up, although it's easier said than done, we don't overthink it and you have to just get on with it. Unfortunately, the harsh truth is that no one cares if you're moaning. No one cares if you're fed up with Amazon because they've just introduced a new way of doing something that you don't like. No one cares if a customer has left you a bad review. Unfortunately, that is all on your head. And the best sellers, what I do and a lot of my friends do that sell multiple six figures or seven figures, is when issues come up, we don't let it crush us and we just figure a way through it. And a lot of people, it just eats them up alive. You have to do them two things in order to win.